my ethnic look. I hope that it's looking good. Welcome to my channel. I'm in a quick get ready with me. We're doing some makeup. Hope that the makeup turns out good because I'm in a hurry. Firstly, I'm using this primer from Lakme, which was a gift from the Nykaa. We'll be using this with my Photo foundation, which is Fit Me, and it's in the shade 128. I think that my shade changed because of tanning and all. Okay, using a little bit of my foundation. I'll blend it with my brush. A bit which is left out, I'll just put it on my neck area. And after that, I'm just using this L'Oreal. Such an OG product. I have got this advertisement in Instagram so many times that I just had to purchase this. And yeah, I mean, it's a good product, very thick consistency, and you need time to blend this in your face, but I mean, it's a good product. And yeah, we're just using this product on the areas which are concerned. I'll just not use entire face. So yeah, I mean, one thing I want to share with you guys that I'm not a kind of a foundation person. I am not comfortable wearing foundation all the time. Is that I'm just going somewhere which needs a special, getting ready sort of thing, where you feel like, yeah, I just want to do the makeup because I'm feeling like to get ready. There only I just do this makeup. Okay, now I'm using this Flawless Made face powder. It's from Inside Makeup. I really feel that this brand, it's a very good check with the prices which competitive products sells. It's very good, and it's a banana powder, if I can say that, because it's a loose powder, but I feel that it gives that banana powder kind of finish. So yeah, I mean, it's really good. After that, what I will do is I'll be applying mascara. The mascara is from Mars. Mascara is very affordable. You can say that it's a dupe for the Maybelline or the high-end brand. That one. You can. It's a very competitive product because it gains everything, whatever the things are mentioned in the box. Leftover products, I'll be using it on my brows. I don't need to, shape my brows. My brows are already shaped. The grace of God. I have a thick brows, so I just need to comb it. And now I'll be using powder, and it's from Faces Canada. This is also my go-to product. I don't use too much, just make sure that I don't end up using too much product on my cheeks because I get so excited when I'm putting this blush. I mean, with all this kind of makeup product, it is my this blush which I get really excited whenever it's there in my face. I just feel like to apply it. I don't know. I mean, this is something which I really enjoy putting on my face, and my entire existence become visible. Before the blush, I like, and after the blush, I'm like, oh wow, that's the kind of difference which it builds in my face. So I'll be using the setting spray. My skin did not got any pimple and all, so that's the reason I'll be using lipstick from Maybelline. Lipstick was the vanilla lipstick. They released this one. They're like, every other influencer was talking about it, and I thought that yeah, why not, I should try. So yeah, I'm so sorry, I was like so fast I forgot that how to use it. So how you need to use this product, you cannot open it and apply it on your lips. This is not how it should be used. You need to shake it. Can you hear the sound? And then the product will get settled down, and then you have to open it, and so extra product ko you just need to put it inside, and then you have to apply it on your lips. And I really like this this lipstick is really I think that I like almost all the lipsticks of Maybelline as well as Lakme. Oh, you cannot do that. Because it has that glossy kind of finish. You need to keep it on your lips. Once it gets dry, it will still look like this, but it is a transfer proof, and I have used this product. It stays as long as you want, even if I just eat so many things, but still the product is there on my lips. So I really like the price point and everything. Whatever this product claims, it is, I mean, the product claims for good. Now I'll be using this Lakme Kajal, and before I'll be using this Lakme Kajal, I'll be using something on my upper eye lid. This Tamex Makeup Revolution. I'll be just using the golden shimmer. That's all I'll be using today. I just don't want to look like that I have like too much. Yeah, it's there in my eye, and you can see that how am I looking. Just comment down below if you like my makeup. The entire makeup is not over yet. I'll be using this Lakme. So I'm planning to apply a wing liner. This is my eyeliner. I hope it's good. I mean, yeah, it's looking good, and I hope that the other eye look exactly same. Oh wow, both the eyes are looking same. Oops. Thank you God. Girls will agree with me. It's so annoying when you apply the eyeliner and both have different wings. Especially when you apply wing liners, I mean that case is really annoying. Okay, so I'll be using Pindi. Accessorize a little bit. Earrings, I made it. Jhumkas. I don't think that it's called jhumka. It's called something else. I don't remember the name actually. If you know, just comment down below. Oh wow! You can see that. You can see the difference. I mean, when I started the video and now, oh wow, I'm just looking like fresh and picture perfect. I really enjoy spending time to get ready and to get prep. I mean, going out is something else, but I really enjoy this time when I just am only there and I'm just, getting ready. I enjoy that time more than going out. This is my me time, kind of a therapy. So okay, let's not talk more about that. So now I'll be using my favorite. It's a Bath and Body Works, and it's a vanilla fragrance. Oh my god! I mean, these days I am so in love with the vanilla fragrance, and this is a cozy bourbon vanilla. I would request you please try it once. It's such an it has like a oily texture and warm fragrance. I'm so addicted with this fragrance. It does not stay too long. You have to keep applying it according to your body type, because every body types are different. It's like depends that how many layers you need to put, or depends. I mean, कि आपके body में कितने दिन तक एक perfume रहता है. So person to person differs. I mean, for me it might stay like 2 hours. For you it might stay for 4 to 5 hours. Depending upon your body odor, since it gets contacted to your body, your own odor also gets mixed up, and then it has a different fragrance, and then you will not able to feel the fragrance of mist or the perfume whatever you are applying. That means you will able to understand. You need to reapply at that particular point of time of the day. I just talk so much. I mean, I have got ready. Hair ka, I think that I'll just be keeping my hair like this, because I feel that it's going with my outfit. I'll be keeping my hair like this, and this is my makeup. I hope that I mean, I'm very happy with my makeup. You guys tell me that how did you like it? I mean, do you like my makeup? And yeah, I just forgot my watch. This is my go-to Casio watch. So yeah, I think that my it's ready, I guess. It's ready. And tell me how did you like this video. If you really liked my video, request to please subscribe to my channel, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be posting again and again and again shorts and videos. You can use this look, you can recreate this look, you can use this look on any kind of ethnic wear, or very subtle and very beautiful kind of look, fresh look. So you can use this. See you again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.